Good day. This presentation demonstrates how to use a new AnswerPropose button. Let us start with the basics. Why bother to use this new widget? Well, it can help you do many things, of course. One of the most obvious things that I find it helps me with is every solution proposed will now look consistent. Hence, I no longer have to worry on adhering with the standard KB templates. This will also improve customer experience with NetScout's knowledge base. Secondly, Propose button is designed to capture customer phrases and search context. This would improve findability of the new answer proposed. Solutions proposed will now get auto-assigned directly to your manager for review. This would decrease time required to publish the solution. How critical is time to publish? As illustrated in this graph, value of the knowledge base article diminishes with time, hence misses a major portion of content's window of opportunity. Solutions published in time would help deflect similar customer cases and thereby will add weight to the answer score. This widget can now be launched from the ribbon bar of the incident workspace. Clicking this button will first take you to a thread select window. Here, you will find all the thread entries for the incident. You could simply hover through these incident nodes to select placeholders or choose to expand each thread entries to modify and save your edits. Thread edits would only be reflected in the proposed answer and will not make any changes to the original incident. You can also select multiple threads to build your answer summary, cause or resolution. Threads are sorted with the oldest on the top by default to retain incident context for thread selections. Once you are done with the thread selections, you can click on Next to preview your answer contents. The preview window will give you a look and feel of how the answer would look like once drafted. By default, the incident subject is used to populate the question and summary of the proposed answer. Search words used by the end user in a web-originated incident are captured into the keywords field. The product and version information of the incident is used to populate the environment details of the answer. Reference and attachment section will list those answers or docs that were linked to the customer. Checking them would list them as hyperlinks in the proposed solution. Clicking on Create would go ahead with drafting the answer and have it assigned directly to your manager for review. To ensure the article is only visible to intended audience, answer access level is set to tag SC, which can be later changed. References will now be shown with hyperlinks that allow single-click access and hence better customer experience. Attachments by default has its visibility property set to private to ensure access to appropriate audience. And the incident product subcategory selections are carried over to the proposed answer with the parent product marked green for end user visibility. Details tab would now track the original incident reference number in case one needs to backtrack for more incident information. Thank you very much for watching my presentation. Please do follow us on Twitter and YouTube.